Alrighty guys, Oracle Grower here, and as I was putting in the new lifters, I decided to take a second gander at the old lifters here since they were covered in oil, so I wiped a little bit away, and to my dismay, you know, you can see the top here, super, lots of scoring. I mean, look how bad that is. That's fucking bad, man. And there's a lot of them like that, chattering along the sides of the fucking guides. Really bad, dude. These grooves are really fucking in there. And the new ones aren't fucking like that. And these retainers, the guides for the lifters, you see the inside there? Dude, it is so bad. Look at that. Big fucking grooves worn down in there. Look at that in the side, dude. It's chunked out. You know, the funny thing is this was the only piece, the only new stuff I forgot wasn't in my order. It wasn't in my order, so it's not in my fucking box of new goodies. And I absolutely cannot peacefully in my head put these back in this truck with all the new stuff that's going in here, new lifters, because I mean, even if I just take an old lifter and I throw it over the top, it catches, it grinds. I mean, and they're almost all pretty crappy. Shit. It's hard to see. But they all have some pretty significant grooving. Actually, you know what? Now that I'm looking at, and that actually looks like the front ones. The front ones were the worst. The back ones here, the camera wants to focus or not. Same issues here. Come on, camera, please work with me. Well, anyways, I'm not gonna comfortably put these back in. I can't allow myself to take those and stick them on the brand new. I already put the new lifters in, but I didn't put the retainer clips on. I didn't bolt them down or nothing like that. So they're sitting in there. They're great, but honestly, I just can't put it back together. I'm not going to allow myself to do that. I mean, dude, so bad. Look at that. Chatter all over that. Goodness. Dude, it's so bad. So, looks like now I'm at a standstill. I gotta order new these, and I think on Unique Diesel, these things are $10 a pop if I'm not mistaken, $10.95 or some shiza like that. Absolutely ridiculous, but it's not going together until those are in. And I only have 2 days of sun here and a week of rain, so I'm kind of worried about the week of rain and 2 days of sun with all this stuff bare metaled out. I'll have to cover it up, spray WD-40 all over it, and that sucks. It's just going to take a significantly longer. I thought, you know, I got 2 days of sun. I could spend the 2 days getting everything together, Permtex and all that. And you know what else is funny? As I was looking for my thread sealant, my Permtex thread sealant, I've bought 3 of these last year alone. I can't find any of them. None of them. They're all gone. They're nowhere. I can't find them anywhere. And that stuff isn't cheap, you know what I mean? Dude, it's so bad. Ouch, man. So bad. So when you guys are doing your engine and you're tearing it apart and, oh yeah, I don't have a problem with my lifters, it was just the gaskets, do yourself a favor and go the extra mile and pull them out, take a gander, take a look, and you might be surprised to find. Now, this is a 42-year-old K20, so 42-year-old engine. This isn't one of you guys' 6.5 20-year-old engines. No, this sucker's double that age, so maybe your wear won't be as bad, but it is a high wear point as long as those lifters are rubbing or chattering or clicking or hitting. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick and you know, give you guys something else to think about when you're doing your engine and gaskets, and just dig a little deeper and you might find more shit. All right, later guys.